Good morning, students. Today, in this video session third, we are going to continue with the topic electricity under physics. In that, subtopic part 1 continuation. As I already mentioned in my first video session, this channel is meant for CDF. That means concept, definitions and formulae in that particular chapter. So now, in the first part of the subtopic, under that the concepts are here. There are 8 concepts. There is the first concept is the word electricity is derived from Greek word electron. So this Greek word electron means ampere. A-M-B-E-R, ampere. What do you mean by ampere? It is a yellow and brown clear substance which is used in jewelry and also objects that are used in decoration. That substance is called ampere. So the electron Greek word means ampere. The second concept is the charge is the fundamental property of matters. You know how the mass is the fundamental property of matter. In the same way, charge is also the electric charge is also the fundamental properties of matter. Third one, there are 2 types of charges. One is positive charge and another is a negative charge. So you know that the positive charges repel from each other and the negative charges attract each other. So the force acting between these 2 charges can be calculated in this formula. F is inversely proportional to the product of charges by the square distance. This we will explain it afterwards. So this is the formula. So now, there are 2 types of charges. The fourth concept is the electric charge is additive, conservative and quantized. What do you mean by additive? Additive means the total charges is equal to the sum of their individual charges. The total charges is equal to the sum of their individual charges. That is called additive. Conservative means the charge are neither be created, the charges are neither be created nor destroyed. That is called conservative. And quantized means by quantization, the charges on any body is an integral multiple of number of protons given to it or taken from it and the value of electrons. The charge value of electrons. The charge value of electron is nothing but 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 coulombs. I repeat, the charge value of an electron is 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 coulombs. The next concept is the given by quantization of charge, Q on any body is an integral multiple of electronic charge. That is, Q is equal to N into E. Just now I told you here, same thing. That is by quantization. That is, therefore it is called and a charge is said to be quantized. So it is a formula. Q is equal to N into E. The sixth concept is there are two types of substances, conductors and insulators. The flow of charges only through conductors. So, what do you mean by conductors? Conductors are nothing but any substance which allow the charges to flow. Any substance which allow the charges to flow. Such substances are called conductors. So, example for conductors, most of all the metals are good conductors of electricity. Then ionized gases, water with salt, aqueous solution of salt is act as a conductor. Now, insulator means the substances which cannot allow the charges to flow. Such substances are called insulators. It is otherwise known as dielectrics. So, example for insulators, most of all non-metallic elements except graphite, then all gases, pure water are all insulators. The next seventh concept, the electron current and the conventional current are in opposite direction. The electron current and conventional current is always in opposite direction. That is, positive or negative charge is in opposite direction of flow. The eighth concept is the SI unit of charge is coulomb. That is represented by letter C, and the SI unit of current is ampere. That is represented by letter A. So there are smaller units of amperes also there. That is milliampere and microampere. The milliampere and microampere are smaller units of ampere. So 1 milliampere is equal to 10 power minus 3 ampere. 1 milliampere is equal to 10 power minus 3 ampere. 1 microampere is equal to 10 power minus 6 ampere. That is, 1 microampere is equal to 10 power minus 6 ampere. They are microampere and milliampere are smaller units of ampere, which is the SI unit of current. These are all the 8 concepts. Definitions. Coulomb, that is represented by letter C. What do you mean by coulomb? Is a SI unit for electric charge. So what is the definition for coulomb? The quantity of charge carried in 1 second by 1 ampere current is known as coulomb. I repeat the definition for coulomb. It is a SI unit for electric charge. The quantity of charge carried in 1 second by 1 ampere current is known as coulomb. The next definition is ampere, represented by letter A, capital letter A. The definition, what is this ampere? It is a SI unit for electric current or current. So, when 1 coulomb of charge flows through a conductor in 1 second, that is, 1 ampere is equal to 1 coulomb by 1 second. Now let us come to the formula in that subtopic part 1. Formula 1. Q is equal to N into E. This is nothing but what we have seen in concept 5. By quantization of charge Q on any body is an integral multiple of electronic charge. So where Q is nothing but charge on any body, which is equal to the product of N and E, where N is the number of electrons given to it or taken from it, and the E is the value of an electron. It is nothing but 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 coulomb. That is the value of charge on one electron. The second formula is I is equal to Qt. I is nothing but current, electric current, symbol for electric current, which is equal to charge on any body by time, that is T. So, this is the second formula. Then the third formula is F is inversely proportional to the product of their charges and their square distance. That means F is the force between the two charges Q1 and Q2 are the magnitudes of the charges. And R is nothing but the distance between the two charges, that is the square of distance. So, the force between the two charges varies directly to the product of their two charges, and it is inversely to the product of the charges by distance square. So this is the third formula. So with these concepts, definitions and formulae, the subtopic part 1 gets over. In the next session, we continue the second part of subtopic. In that, whatever the definitions, concepts and formulae. Thank you for watching the channel. Kindly subscribe my channel if you find it useful for you. Thank you very much.